Hi, this is Daniel, and today again we have the privilege of unbox something pretty new from RC4WD. So it's a big box again, but the fun part is there is more than one car in this big box. Here is one car and a second car. So what RC4WD is currently doing is relaunching the Gelande 2 series with a new version of the product, and it comes in more than one style. Maybe you know the old style, which was like a Land Rover Defender D90, and now it will be relaunched in 4 styles. I got 2 styles for more I couldn't afford to order, so this is a D90 style. I hope it's a D90. Yeah, it's a D90 in blue, and this is something special. We will look at this box later on, but first we start with the D90. So as you see, no cheating here. It will also be a surprise for me what's inside the box. We have to open it if we find where to enter the box. And RC4WD discontinued the previous Gelande 2 D90 1/18 scale and relaunched a new one, and it has some exciting news that most people will definitely like. Here we are. And the best part is it's colorful. So as you can see, it's light blue, and I really like this color scheme, as it is a typical Defender color scheme that you would see. And as far as I can tell, but right now even the windscreen is colored, so this is a big improvement. And we will break the seal to see what's coming up next. And I don't want to bleed, so I have to pay attention to break the seal. And here comes the box. So this is the D90. We will see what else is in the box. So here we got, I guess this must be the radio. Yes, it is a radio. I like small radios. If you ask why, it's because children typically have problems running bigger radios. So I like nice little radios for this type of smaller scalers. And yes, it comes with batteries, which is pretty cool. For one, I like the RC4WD batteries for the looks, and you can buy this and start playing right away. Let's open the next little box. Oh, here we are. A LiPo. So it seems to be really ready to run. Everything included in the box. If we look further down, I might be missing something. Let's check together. No. Everything seems to be here. We got some tools, instruction manuals, and a decal sheet. So here you can see decals to make it more your truck. Very nice feature. And a manual, including all things needed to run the truck. Very cool. So let's have a closer look at the truck next. So RC4WD really has packaging that makes sure that you get your stuff the way it is supposed to arrive. And wow, this one looks really brilliant. And what you might not be able to see right now is that it comes with a full interior. So no more empty car. It even has rear view mirrors, Very cool. So, as I never had one of those, I don't know how to get the body off. But that's maybe when we check the manual for a second. And you can have a little look at the nice truck that we have. I think we need to do some screws to get to the body, get the body off. Yes. It seems to be 4 screws. Because I learned from my past videos, I bring a set of screwdrivers. So we take it off. And this is not toy grade, you know, it's all proportional. It has a proper servo in it. So it's really hobby grade RC in a tiny package. So I took the screws out, and here comes the chassis. And you can also see the interior from the back. What I like a lot about this new release or re-release is that it now comes with the new gearbox and motor. The old ones, some people said that the gearing was too short and it was not powerful enough for crawling. Then RC4WD Drive bring this gearbox and motor combination as an upgrade part. And now this car comes right out of the box with this motor gearbox that gives you lots of crawling ability. And it's all metal, also very untypical in this scale. Look at the drive shafts, how nice they are. Really cool stuff. Proper dampers. Really one nice piece of kit. Okay, but I promised you this will be 2 cars. The Land Rover, you might say, oh, that's old, we know, and so on. But we have one more. And I think this will be a very popular body style, the second box to open. It says Black Rock body set. So let's see what we got. Again, I don't learn from my mistakes. So I have to again find a way to open it. So maybe I hurt myself, but it will work out nice. So you see, proper protected box. So here we are. Here is the Black Rock. The Black Rock is a body style that looks close to a familiar American off-road vehicle you might know. And so it looks like a Jeep. And it is very close to Jeep. So again, we take it off. And here you can see one other feature about the new ones, that they also come with a charger. So everything you need to charge is included. If you are in Europe, you might need one of those cheap travel adapters, but this shouldn't be a big problem for most people. And okay, we take it out, and here you are. You have a proper Jeep body style with a different interior than the Land Rover. It really looks like a Jeep. Also, if the body is off, and here you have the couple all set together. We remove some garbage from the table, and again everything else is the same. And also my D90 came with a charger, but I didn't see it at first. So what I got here is 2 very cool 1/18 scale trucks with Gelande 2 18 scale drivetrain. Also notice the Jeep has different tires. This is a cool feature. So the Defender has tires that look like Defender tires, and the Jeep has tires that look like Jeep tires. Very nice. So you can see it's all hard plastic, very nice scale bumpers, and I expect there will be plenty of parts available for the Jeep as well as for the Defender. You can already have parts to make it your own, but I think it's really cool to have an interior on both of them that is actually a different interior than on the other one. Okay, so this was my quick unboxing. It's winter in Austria, that's why I wear a beanie, but we will try to drive those very soon for you. Thanks for watching, bye bye.